The most common line every Indian student says after completing their graduation that whatever I have studied in the college and school, I am never going to use this in my job. Most people always give this classic example that sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1, and that is waste unless you are not a mathematician. It is not useless, it is the most important part of our world. So watch this video till end. I'll change your perspective. In school and colleges, they made us memorize the periodic table, the Newton's law, the trigonometry formulas, the complicated equations solving. But जब हम कोई job join करते हैं, then in starting our boss asks us to fill Excel sheet, not to launch a rocket. And over the time also it is rare. Someone will ask, what is the value of cos 45 degree? They are more likely, can you send me this report before lunch? At this moment, it feels like 90% of our education was useless and we are never going to use it again. But here is where most people get wrong. Okay, the sin square theta and cos square theta equal to 1. अब ये है कि right angle triangle लो, उसका horizontal and vertical sides का स्क्वायर का सम हमेशा सेम होता है. ब्रिज का डिजाइन बनाते समय इंजीनियर्स ये फॉर्मूला यूज करके ही इंश्योर करते हैं कि हर केबल का टेंशन सही हो ताकि ब्रिज परफेक्टली बैलेंस्ड रहे. थोड़ा सा भी गलत हो गया तो ब्रिज का बैलेंस बिगड़ जाता है और फिर वो ब्रिज गिर जाता है. जो आप आए दिन सुनते हो. इवन आर्किटेक्ट्स कांट मेक बिल्डिंग्स stand without this formula. This is the importance of this formula. You might not be directly using this formula, but you are enjoying the word it built. Same with chemistry. Maybe you are not mixing chemicals in lab, but your medicines, food packaging that keeps your chips crispy, even your shampoos, all exist because someone did use those chemical equations. That is the main thing behind that. See, the real issue is we were never told, we are never shown the real life application of those things. We studied trigonometry. This is why your phone can find satellites in space. School gave us tools, but they never gave us the user manual. So if you feel like you are not using that, what you studied, maybe it's because you are not at the right place. See, I'll give one more example. Put a civil engineer in a bank job. They will say trigonometry is useless for me. But if you'll put them at construction side, knowledge is like knife. So next time you think, school taught me nothing, remember, it's not the knowledge that is useless. It's just waiting for you to be at right place. And who knows, maybe that boring formula you hated will one day save your career or even your life. Until then, keep learning because you never know when the useless stuffs become your superpower. Jai Hind.